हाल ही में मेरे एक अजीज़ मित्र हैं, उन्होंने मुझे एक मैसेज भेजा और कहा, विनीत, मैं पूरी रात ढंग से सोता हूँ बट जब सुबह उठता हूँ तो इतना फ्रेश महसूस नहीं करता। I asked him to go for a medical checkup and everything was fine. However, when I asked him कि ऐसा क्यों है, तो कोई खास वजह समझ नहीं आई। मेडिकल साइंस में इसको हाइपोफर्निया बोलते हैं। A sudden feeling of sadness and vague sadness that you experience for no reason. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनकी लाइफ अच्छी नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके पास किसी भी तरह की चीज़ों की या साधनों की कोई कमी है। He is doing well in his career, but still he feels that he's not joyous. He's not living his life to the fullest. तो मैंने उसको एक छोटा सा सुझाव दिया जो आज मैं आपके सामने रख रहा हूँ, और वो ये है कि कल सुबह जब उठो तो काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स। Count your blessings and be thankful and grateful to the Supreme Power who has bestowed you with everything. Now जब हम count your blessings की बात करते हैं, आप अपनी physical चीज़ों की counting नहीं करें कि okay, I have got 2 cars and I have got 1 BHK flat or a 3 BHK flat, or when will I get a bungalow. Don't start counting your physical things, though of course you can count. Start with yourself. You have got a perfect body, which is human body to live. That is your first blessing. The fact that you're living, the fact that you're breathing, the fact that your whole body is functioning normally. आपका पूरा शरीर स्वस्थ है. The fact that you can eat whatever you want, subject to, of course, your dietary restrictions. The fact that you can breathe normally, walk normally, interact and mingle with people. The fact that you're working, the fact that you still have a job or a way to make your living is nothing less than a blessing. The fact that you have a family that takes care for you, that loves you, the fact that you have a friend whom you can go and speak out to is nothing less than a blessing. हमारे वेदों में कहा गया है, आमंत्रण अक्षर नास्ति, नास्ति मूल मन औषधम, आरोग्य पुरुषो नास्ति, योजक तत्र दुर्लभा. There is not a plant in this universe that does not have medicinal properties. There is not a word in the dictionary that does not have the power of Brahma. Likewise, there's not a single soul in this universe who is not related to that supreme power. What is rare is to find that deep awareness. इसीलिए कल सुबह जब उठिएगा, ध्यान से इस बारे में सोचिएगा कि क्या आप अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स को गिन रहे हैं, और यू आर जस्ट सैड फॉर नो रीजंस. आया है कुछ पाया है, मेरे सदगुरु लखाया है, मेरे सदगुरु लखाया है. पाया रे पाया रे मैंने, पाया रे पाया रे मैंने, पाया रे पाया रे मैंने, पाया रे पाया रे. Count your blessings. keep smiling.